It begins along the ground, just a low and distant sound, something turning in the air, moving softly, almost there. Every grain begins to slide in a slow and restless tide. Not a force I need to fight, just a shift within the light. There's a pressure in the sky, drawing everything around. Every line I thought I knew starts to bend and pull me through. I don't stand and I don't stay, I am carried in its weight, in the dust, in the spin. Something deeper pulls me in. Let it take me, let it turn, let it scatter what I've learned. In the wind I come undone. I am many, I am one. Let it move me, let it rise, through the ground and through the skies. In the storm I come to be, more than what I thought was me. There's no edge and there's no frame, nothing here remains the same. Every step dissolves away in the motion of the day. I don't reach for what is gone, I just move with what goes on. In the swirl, in the haze, I am lost within the phase. Let it take me, let it turn, let it scatter what I've learned. In the wind I come undone. I am many, I am one. Let it move me, let it rise, through the ground and through the skies. In the storm I come to be, more than what I thought was me. Voices carried in the wind, from a place I've never been. Not a word I understand, still it moves me where I stand. In the turning, in the sound,